You won't believe this healthy salad takes only 5 minutes. Healthy breakfast in 5 minutes. Watch this. I've already prepped everything. Avocado, boiled eggs, chicken and chickpeas. Chopped all the veggies and kept them ready. Take a bowl. Add veggies first. Now avocado goes in. Then chickpeas, chicken and boiled eggs. Sprinkle some seasoning. Squeeze fresh lemon. Drizzle a little oil. And just like that, your protein-packed avocado salad is ready. Healthy, quick, and super tasty. Loaded with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. This keeps you full, boosts energy, and supports weight loss. First, I cut the avocado into pieces, then added it into a mixer jar. Added a small cup of chia seeds, poured in some fresh milk, and blended everything into a smooth milkshake. Poured it into a glass, and my healthy avocado chia milkshake is ready. Creamy, nutritious, and super refreshing. First, I added fresh avocado pieces into a mixer jar. Then I added macana, added a little honey for natural sweetness, and blended everything into a smooth mixture. Poured it into a glass, and garnished it with some crunchy macana on top. Creamy, nutritious, and super delicious. First, I cut the avocado into small pieces. Then I placed it nicely on a slice of bread, sprinkled some chili flakes on top, and added a pinch of salt. And my quick and healthy breakfast is ready. Simple, healthy, and super tasty. First, I took a fresh watermelon and cut it into small pieces. Added the pieces into a mixer jar. Then added a few almonds, cashews, and walnuts, and blended everything until smooth. Poured it into a glass and garnished it with some fresh mint leaves. And my refreshing and healthy drink is ready. Cool, nutritious, and perfect for summer. Watermelon keeps your body hydrated and refreshed. Nuts like almonds, cashews, and walnuts give healthy fats and energy, rich in vitamins and antioxidants for glowing skin. First, I extracted fresh mango pulp. Then I added strawberries, blueberries, and kiwi. Mixed everything together nicely. Kept it in the fridge to chill. After some time, it turned perfectly cold and refreshing. And finally, I enjoyed this delicious fruity treat. I added chia seeds into a glass jar, then poured fresh milk over it and let it soak for a few minutes. After that, I added fresh mango pieces, topped it with some crunchy dry fruits, kept it in the fridge to chill, and finally, enjoyed this cold and healthy treat. First, I added soaked sabja seeds into a glass. Then I poured in 1 spoon of honey. After that, I added fresh half-lemon juice. Next, I dropped in plenty of ice cubes. Then I mixed everything really well. And my refreshing sabja seeds healthy drink is ready. Cool, refreshing, and super healthy. Try it today. Drink it chilled and stay healthy. Want a quick and healthy pudding? Looking for a quick and healthy pudding? I added sabja seeds into a bowl, then poured milk over it, and let it soak for 10 minutes. After that, I added fresh blueberries and strawberries. Also added some chopped dry fruits and a spoon of honey for natural sweetness. And my healthy sabja seeds pudding is ready. Super healthy, refreshing, and perfect for summer. Try it now. Have you ever tried juice this fresh? Just take an orange, squeeze it in this juicer, and get pure fresh juice instantly. Now pour it into a glass. Add a little water or honey if you like. Healthy, refreshing, and super easy. Try it and don't forget to follow. Rich in vitamin C to boost your immunity. Keeps your body hydrated and refreshed. Great for glowing skin and natural energy. This green drink can change your health. I washed fresh moringa leaves really well. Added them into a mixer jar with a little water. Then added 1 spoon chia seeds and half lemon. Blended everything until smooth. Pour it into a glass. Your healthy moringa juice is ready. Try this daily. Your body will thank you. Moringa juice health benefits. Boosts immunity. Rich in vitamins and iron. Helps in detoxifying the body. Good for digestion. Gives natural energy. Boost your immunity and detox your body naturally with this drink. Stop drinking unhealthy drinks. Try this 5-minute fat cut drink. Take a glass. Add 1 small cup of sabja seeds. Pour water and soak for 5 minutes. Let them swell. Now add half lemon juice. Add 1 spoon of honey. Drink daily and feel the difference. Cricket match night. This street food shawarma is a must-try. Step lines, juicy chicken stacked and perfectly grilled. Slow roasted for that smoky street-style flavor. Slice it thin, look at that juicy texture. Wrap it with sauce, veggies, and soft bread. 1 bite equals sign perfect match snack. Follow for more street food recipes. Craving tasty mutton curry at home? Take 1 kilogram mutton. Add salt, turmeric, and red chili powder. Mix everything nicely. Now put it in a pressure cooker. Close the lid and cook until soft and juicy. Once cooked, add fresh tomatoes. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook again for a few minutes. And just like that, your tasty mutton curry is ready. Perfect for lunch or dinner.
To make this delicious zero oil paneer, we start with a clean pan on medium heat. Add the paneer cubes and let them.
Add some coriander leaves. Add some black pepper powder. Little bit salt.
Welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we are making crispy aloo snack. We start with diced potatoes in a bowl.
Add all masala and mix well. Place it in the microwave and grill it. First, I added wheat flour into a bowl, then added some jaggery, and poured a little water, kneaded it into a soft dough, then shaped small puris from the dough, and deep-fried them in hot oil until golden. Placed them on a plate, and drizzled some honey on top, and my sweet and crispy puris are ready. Crispy, sweet, and super delicious. Crispy outside, soft inside sweet puri. Sweet puri recipe that everyone will love. Instant sweet snack with wheat flour. Jaggery puri recipe vertical bar, healthy and tasty.